Alright guys, this is my Shield Plus Performance Center. Show you guys it's clear. One of the reasons why I love this thing is because of how small it is. How compact. That's it next to my hand. Super small. Comes with this 10-round mag right here. From factory. I put a Mag Guts extension on it. It gives me 13 rounds on here. When it's in, still able to get a full purchase. That's my pinky. Yeah, man, this thing's great. Great quality, great build. Ported. Shoots super flat for a small gun. And yeah, check it out, man.